Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a beautiful BMW X5 M50D which we've taken in. This car belonged to a friend of mine. He's changed it for another one and it came directly from him. This is a very high specification car. It's a 2018 on an 18 plate, as you can see. The M50D's got the 381 brake horsepower diesel engine in, so loads and loads of power. Lots and lots of extras on this car. It's got over £14,000 worth of extras. Beautiful colour combination. So it's space grey metallic with the exclusive Napa leather in ivory inside. So a lovely colour combination and lots of bits. Now I'm actually just going to list these extras, but please do go on the website to see exactly what it's got. But I'm going to run through them. We've got head-up display. We've got the Harman Kardon sound system. We've got the 21-inch alloy wheels. We've got M Sport Plus package, panoramic glass sunroof, sun protection glazing. We've also got the electric tow bar on this as well, which we'll show you how that works in a moment. Cold weather package, comfort seats in the front, which are amazing. A lot more comfort, a lot more adjustment on these seats. They are awesome. Digital cockpit. We've got the American oak high gloss interior. Lumbar support on the seats. We've got seat heating in the rear as well as the front. We've got soft closed doors. We've got steering wheel heated as well. We've got 7 seats in the car also, and as I said, the exclusive Napa leather. Oh, I think there's a couple more things just to really finish off. We've also got the adaptive LED headlights, high beam assistant, speed limit display, and that's about it. Now that's a lot to take in. I've listed it all, but please do have a look on the website because I've listed it all through, and I'll try and remember as we go around the car to tell you all about it. So 81,700 miles. Please don't be put off by the mileage on this car. It's been maintained by BMW throughout and it is in absolutely beautiful condition. So let's have a look around. Locally supplied, this car is supplied by Bury St Edmunds BMW. As you can see on the front here, we've got front parking sensors, LED adaptive lights. They're amazing at night, these lights. And moving along, let's have a look at the alloy wheels here. So we've got the 21-inch alloy wheels here with nearly new Dunlop SP Sport Max run flat tyres. The alloys are spotless. Moving down the side of the car, all in lovely condition. It's such a good looking car, this. The colour combination is just beautiful. Okay, to the back here, so I'm going to open the tailgate. This has got electric tailgate, 2-stage tailgate, top piece is electric. Then if you need to use the bottom section, that comes down. And then as you can see, the configuration at the moment, we've got the 3rd row of seats in the upright position. These obviously go flat to give you a completely flat floor in the back here should you wish to use it for loading. If you want to use it for 7 seats, these are all done in leather as well, these seats with the proper seat belts. Beautiful arrangement in the back there as well, so very practical. Okay, while we're in the back here, I just want to show you the electric operated tow bar. So behind this panel here, there's a little button just there. So push that, and then down here you'll see, it will arrive in a moment, is the electric tow bar. There's nothing manual to do with it at all. It quite simply pushes that button, it locks it into position, it's all ready to go. The electric socket is on the side of here of the tow bar. So it's all out of the way if you're not going to use it. And to fold it back up again, same thing, push the button and it will electrically fold away. Disappears up behind, you never know it's there. Okay, so let's close the boot down there again. All done. So round to this side, all in beautiful condition. Let's have a look at this beautiful interior in here. So we've got the dark trim leather tops on the doors and the ivory leather on the door inserts. Then to the inside here, as you can see, full ivory leather, comfort seats, heated rear seats, as I said, as well as the front seats. Full set of BMW fitted rubber mats in this one rather than carpet mats. Sun protection glazing. Into the front here, folding mirrors, obviously, all the electric mirrors, Harman Kardon sound system. And these front seats are so comfortable. They've got more electric adjustment than the standard ones. The comfort seats are beautiful. Colour combination is just glorious in this car. Okay, so lovely leather bound steering wheel, paddle shift for the gearbox, and the usual controls on the steering wheel there. We've got the digital dashboard, which is part of the extras package on this as well. We'll show you the head-up display in a moment. Okay, nice big screen. We've got navigation, we've got phone connection and DAB radio as part of the package. It's obviously xDrive, so this is all four-wheel drive as well. And it's got the Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro, Dynamic Select on here as well. And the middle, all the controls down there, and heated seats. Switches there for the dynamic control. Just show you the heated rear seat switches down here as well. Okay, we'll just show you the reversing camera. So as you can see, as you turn the wheel, you can see the direction that it's going in. Okay, just show you on the camera here as well, there is a little button down here because it's got the tow bar on it. If we touch that button there, it angles the camera down, so if you're reversing up to something to park, you can see that's where the tow bar would be. That's the bottom of the bumper, and that's where the tow bar would be if it was in the out position. Okay, just to show you the head-up display here as well. It's currently showing a speed limit and the miles per hour, but I think you can have your navigation arrows up on this as well. There's various different things you can do with the head-up display. Just want to show you the service history for the car. It's all on the screen on these, so it's all digital. So as you can see, they're from the beginning, 2018, and I'll just scroll up and that will take us to the latest one that was done in December 2021. So all service history done by BMW. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the full panoramic glass sunroof in here with the electric blind. As you can see, you can have the electric blind all the way forward, all the way back, wherever you want to position it. And in the usual fashion, front section of this will tilt and slide, and with the air dam there as well to stop the buffeting. Okay, let's show you under the bonnet. So there's the power unit, 381 brake horsepower. It's the M50D, fabulous engine this, 6-cylinder. I think it's 3 turbochargers on this to give it the extra power, so it really does pull. Fabulous to drive, lovely and clean and tidy under there as well as you would expect. Okay, just to run through that again, 2018 on an 18 plate BMW X5 M50D. Over £14,000 worth of extras. Again, just to stress, please do read the list, even though I've listed them on the video as well. That will remind you of them. I'm sure there's a few things we've forgotten to tell you about while we're going around because there's so much on there. 81,700 miles, full BMW service history from new, 2 owners, both local people. It came from a friend of mine. Please bear in mind this was over £80,000 new, this car, so it represents great value for money considering the condition it's in. Any more information, please give me a call. It's Simon Shield Cars Limited. It's 01473 658 091, or please refer to the website for all the still pictures, and there are a lot of them listing everything, service history. It's all there, and that's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.